Evening, everybody. It's about 7:30, and I know this is a little late, but I was working on a project. This is your closing comment for Monday afternoon, the 22nd of August, and it's video number 1417. Okay, so we started down when futures opened last night, and we just continued. Um, we actually were down at the low of the day 680, and we finished pretty close to there, down 643 or 1.91% in the Dow. Down, the biggest loser was Nasdaq, down 323 and change, 255, 2.55%. Down 90 and a half in the S&P, 214, down 4160, and the Russell down 212. And actually, the one that did the best is the one that's gotten hurt the worst lately, and that was the transports. It was only down 232.74 or 1.58. Advanced declines on the NYSE were 5-1 to the downside, 3-1 on NASDAQ, and volume shrank a bit back into the normal summer levels of about 4.2 billion. Chart on the screen is the oil, which got down yet again right into that same area, 86.28, but turned on news this afternoon that it looked like Saudi Arabia. Uh, Brian Sullivan broke it. Saudi Arabia was thinking about cuts because the cash market versus the paper market are really a bit out of whack, and he doesn't really like the volatility, so he thinks that they may cut production, which took it from just over 86 to closing on the day actually down just 8 cents after being basically $4 lower. So pretty decent, and tonight it's up about 35 cents. A look at it on the weekly shows a little bit better what we're talking about. I think that we're running out of momentum here. This is an important area. It's where we broke from the upside, and frankly, we bought some UCO calls today, and I think we could extend back up into this 97 area, and that would be a very nice profit. Gold was down again 14 and a half, Bitcoin down 265, the dollar up 88 cents, the bonds down a half a point, and of course, my favorite, nat gas, hit 998.8 today on the high. Closed at it closed at 968, up 34 cents, and tonight it is higher again. 985. The high is still intact at 998.2. Let's just go back to the daily here. And as you can see, closed above the other recent highs and is higher tonight. Okay, all that said, it was a very ugly day for AMC and the apes. Adam Aaron promising that he's not going to dilute them, and then, of course, he turns around with these symbol APE, a preferred that has, I guess, voting rights but no dividend. And AMC holders did not like it at all. We finished 1046, down 756 or 42%. The ape shares traded as high as 10 and a half, as low as 552, I believe was the number. And the last tonight is 628. So towards the low, no net change because they just brought them out. Earnings. Palo Alto Networks, a beat top and bottom line and solid guidance. It had closed at 508, down 546, traded as high as 554 599, finished at 549.60, up 36.09 or 7%. Zoom went the other way. It missed on revenues but beat on earnings and had negative uh, guidance. The stock had closed at 97.44, down 206, traded as low as 87 after the earnings last, 89.72, down 978 or 9.7%. And this is an interesting one. I can't show you the chart because my system hasn't picked it up. Akili, Akili. It's a digital medical. The old symbol that I can do the chart on is DNAA. This was a Chamath Palihapitiya deal. It was a SPAC. They put this Akili into it on Friday, and it closed at 1407, up 4.5 or 47. And then this morning, the stock opened at 3606, traded as high as 3757, and then completely collapsed. The last on it is 705.20, 705 down 702 or 50%. Looks like Polyapatia might have kind of a reverse Midas touch now instead of a Midas touch. Anyway, that's about it. I'll be back first thing in the morning.